Hello YouTube. This is the video I promised I would show you. This is the 1990, I think it's 8. It's either 98 or 97. Dodge Dakota 10 cab, 3.9 V6 5-speed in its current. Because regardless of whatever I do, I want to at least put this video on the channel. Like I said, the frame on this is pretty damn mint. This is the rear bumper. This was actually easy to unbolt. That one I'm gonna have to work on. Yes, it has dings and dangs in it. It is a 98 or 97 after all. Underneath is actually really solid too. Go start the interior since it's a little easier to do on this side than it is that side. The rotors are solid. Underneath is solid. Like I said, it does need this replaced, which is normal. I can find that later down the road if I decide to build it. This is easy enough to get, honestly. And these are pretty cheap to get too, honestly, in decent shape. This one I just need honestly a door panel and then rework the interior and whatnot. The windows do roll down. That's demonstrated. Obviously need to clean it. Seats are not in bad shape. 5-speed. Non-tilter. Which kind of sucks in my opinion because I wish it was a tilter. But it's a pretty cool truck. Obviously needs weather stripping if I keep the truck. Back glass and back seats actually second all. Hold it down for you apparently. It is missing the headliner, but that's a small thing. Those who are wondering if I do something, can I change out the cup holder scenario? Yes, I can take what's inside the other one and put it in here. I looked into that. Take a seat. Let's start. Dash is not cracked in this truck. I don't know. They might have hacked it. I don't know. If I do keep it, I gotta figure out how the stereo is gonna work in here.
You ain't seen two dipshit dogs run by, did you?
That was the first time I talked to a neighbor in about 6 months. Anyway. Like I said, interior's not half bad. wondering, this is the same glass, so if we do keep the truck, build it up, you can take this glass, I can steal it from that one and put it on this one. I don't think it'd be that hard to put in. I'll go on the other side. View the other side. I will find another bed for this truck because, in fact, it's not because it's rusted or anything, it's just because it's dented really bad. And if I wish it was just these kind of ends, because if it was, I would just be able to pull them out. This one, I'm not sure this can actually be fixed on dent wise. Or correction, I'm not spending a lot of time fixing that. Will it pass inspection? Yes. It'd be good enough to talk about another bed. And yes, I will figure out how to do that until I can. It's another ding, like I said, it's got on this truck. The only rust hole on this body is literally right there. That's it. The rest of it, not rust at all. I do have the antenna for this, for those who are wondering. It is back here. It came with a spare tire. Also, here's the antenna. And it does have the rear bumper, front bumper too, in case you're all wondering. This model you could get AC or non-AC. This one has, I think it has AC in it, but I did the AC. It had been done the AC delete kit on it. This is a very small. And yes, it does have the inner fenders on it. I can almost wrap around my hands around it. It's that small. Makes about 160 horsepower for those who are wondering. Factory, what it has right now, probably 0. Yeah, pretty much touch right there. No AC. But this is actually a really clean Dakota. I really like it. It's three-prong computer. The other one is basically the same thing on that V8. I looked into it, yes. This is a three-prong computer, just like the 5.9 is. This is the for the 5-speed is a dipstick, y'all. Not dipstick, but this is the clutch. Very small one. As usual, y'all have a good. This is just a video for this one, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.